Want to start streaming on Twitch fast? Let's set up OBS in under 2 minutes. Click on Settings. Click on Stream. Now you can either connect your Twitch account, or you can use a stream key. So I'm going to use a stream key. Let me show you how. Open Twitch, go to Settings. Click on Twitch Settings and Stream. Copy your stream key. Don't give anyone your stream key. Now go back to OBS Studio. Paste your stream key and save. Now I'm not going to mess with the settings for the stream. If you want the best performance, you can run a Wi-Fi speed test. And here is a chart based on your speeds. Now we're going to do sources. You can do whichever you like. I'm going to do audio input. I'm also going to do display capture. I'm going to display my second screen. I'm going to add an image. You can do whatever image you like. I'm going to leave mine blank. Next, I'm going to add a text. Just go and put hello. You can add whatever you want. Next, I'm going to add a color source. You can lock everything into place. Now I'm going to add a video capture. That is a webcam. Now that you have everything you need, you can start your live and enjoy streaming.